Hello children, we are doing chapter 2 of history from trade to territory. The company establishes power. After what happened after Battle of Plassey? After a defeat at Plassey, Sirajuddaulah was killed and Mir Jafar became Nawab of Bengal because Robert Clive promised him. Now the company was granted right to free trade in Bengal. Mir Jafar got very less revenue through it. He could not manage the empire without revenue. So after some time he refused to give any further rights to company. Jafar was dethroned. Dethroned means deposed, and Mir Qasim became the next Nawab. These all were puppet rulers. But when Mir Qasim complained against the use of rights, it resulted in the Battle of Buxar 1764 between Mir Qasim and the British. Mir Qasim was defeated in the Battle of Buxar and Mir Jafar was again made the Nawab of Bengal. Now company demanded 5 lakh rupees every month from Nawab. Company demanded more money to finance its wars, for trade and for other expenses. Mir Jafar died in 1765. The company fed up from puppet kings and decided to become the Nawab themselves. In this picture, Mughal emperor hand over the legal document to Robert Clive. According to this document, in 1765, the Mughal emperor appointed the company as the Diwan of Bengal. The Diwani allowed the company to use the vast revenue resources of Bengal. Earlier, company had to buy most of the goods in India with gold and silver. These gold and silver had to bring from Britain. But when company got Diwani rights, import of silver and gold from Britain entirely stopped. Now these revenues could be used to purchase cotton and silk textile in India, maintain company troops and meet the cost of buildings. The company fort and offices at Calcutta. Each company servants began to have vision of living like Nawabs. Robert Clive himself gathered assets in India. When Clive was disappointed governor of Bengal in 1764, he was asked to remove corruption in company administration. He was himself cross-examined in 1772 by the British Parliament, which was suspicious of his vast wealth. Although he was found innocent, but he committed suicide in 1774. So children, rest part of the chapter we will discuss in next video. Have a nice day.